Children and babies, lovers and friends, all laid before us, sewn into one. And then they called out your name. Oh yes, they called out your names. Oh, you will live forever. Know that our lives is like a patchwork quilt. Your lives have meaning. Your lives have joy. You touch so many people, so many more than you'll ever know. And you wrapped your arms around me as I walk down these roads. You're letting me feel your beautiful souls. I feel the warmth of your light. I feel the warmth of your love. Oh, you will live forever. Know that our life is like a patchwork quilt. My heart spills over, flowing with tears. I cry for your suffering and for your shortened years. And I'll take you with me as I